Okay. Look, I didn't do part two as a tutorial. I was just faffing about with a few ideas. If you did the tutorial 1,000 blocks, 1,000 cubes that I put on a little while ago, with the cubes crashing to the ground, that's similar to what I did, except I made a tower. So I'll run you through the animation, what's happening. So firstly, I've got a camera that's tracking the ball as it comes up. That thing comes through, smashes through my tower, and then I change cameras, and the camera just pans down, and the focal length changes just to capture it all and make it look more intense. I haven't added any textures yet. I'll do that in class. You can see it go here. And then the towers come crashing down. If you look at the camera here, the focal length changes. I've got markers down here on my timeline to change the cameras. Now I'll bring you to another view. Okay, I'll go back to the beginning. Let's have a quick look at the tower. Okay, let's see if we've got a better view here. Okay, so the tower's just domino-y things placed, you know, tower-like, 4 columns. I originally had a lot more, but my computer was really struggling, so I can't imagine the ones at school will do any better. So I'll run it here. I'll bring this over here. Let's have a look from. You can see the camera following the ball. Goes up here. You could even put a camera on that block there. See the camera following. Still tracking. So just a matter of some lighting now, some textures, and then I'll be ready to render it. There's a little jump here. Because what happens, okay, with these. So if I go look at the physics properties here, I've got the deactivation and start deactivated. So nothing actually happens with that animation. If I had that turned off, the whole thing would probably collapse straight away because they're not touching. Okay, so they kind of fall down. They fall down basically, but that animation doesn't activate before an object hits it. So that deactivation on each one of these little dominoes, this start deactivated. Now I haven't played around with these settings or the dampening. You might want to play around with that. Um, that's about it. So let's go through, watch again. So take it back to the beginning. Okay, so I follow the ball down the ramp. I might want to hide this. And then there. I think it worked out quite well. That's 20 seconds. Might render it tonight if I can texture it. Okay. That's about where I'm up to. Have fun.